Hollywood, yeah. Bollywood, nah. During Operation Sindoor, our film stars maintained absolute silence. No words of encouragement, maybe just a tweet here and there. And ये वो stars हैं जिनको हमने यहाँ अपने सिर पे बिठा रखा है. Contrast that with Hollywood, where stars have a tradition of standing with their troops on the front lines. मैं अपने top 10 actors आपको दिखाती हूँ. The list is endless. During World War II, Clark Gable, the Gone with the Wind star, was a Hollywood A-lister. He joined the forces, became a major, and became famous as the Hollywood star who took on Hitler. Jimmy Stewart was an American heartthrob and he was a privately trained pilot. When the war broke out, he volunteered his services, asking no special concessions, foregoing all his big income. He was then trained for combat and he flew 20 bombing missions. When he came back, people loved him all the more. Elvis Presley was offered to sing at army bases and motivate soldiers. But he said that such a deal would only anger millions of Americans. For 2 years, he served as a regular soldier and later entertained as well. Many have served their nation's military before they became stars. Wonder Woman Gal Gadot spent 2 years in IDF. Adam Driver, Kylo Ren of Star Wars, joined the Marines after 9/11. Chuck Norris, Clint Eastwood, Morgan Freeman, Johnny Cash, Sean Connery,
James Bond,
served their nation's forces. Rita Hayworth, Marilyn Monroe entertained crowds. We expect our nation's celebrities to stand up for Bharat, and why not? Now, movies tell a nation's story like nothing else does. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि आप सरहद पे जाओ, but कम से कम थोड़ा support तो दिखाओ. Meanwhile, we need to teach our kids that fame is a responsibility. Handsome is as does handsome. रूप वही जो गुणवान हो, वरना बेकार है.